Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an email template inside of Pixieset. So if you're on the dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to Settings and head on over to Email Templates right there. And you can click right here, Add Email Template. Let's use Wedding Template for example. We're going to use a wedding template. Doing email templates is great when you're doing the same type of shoot, such as if you're a wedding photographer, if you're a family portrait photographer, or if you're doing mom mini sessions. If you're going to be sending the same type of album to a handful of people, then it will be beneficial to have a template. So wedding, your photos are done. I mean, obviously make it your own. Some good things to note right off the bat for Pixieset would be to always include letting them know about the pin. So be sure to use the pin code below to download your photos, because they will need that pin code to be able to download them, as well as noting that you can only download on a desktop. So those are the two things that I always add inside of my emails, just to give people a heads up. So that is how you, and then you could just click Save, and this is where you have all of your email templates. Hope that was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.